Dentists, if you're not getting these 3 services from your dental lab, you're probably wasting money on remakes and adding unnecessary stress. Dandy has helped thousands of dentists simplify their lab work. Here are just 3 ways we're building a better lab experience for you. First up is 2-appointment dentures. We provide an easy-to-follow digital workflow. Free training to teach you how to do it, and a proven manufacturing process that brings it to life. Number 2 is real-time communication with our dental lab. Lab communication is broken, but at Dandy, we've built technology that connects you directly to our lab technicians. We can review your scans in real time, chat back and forth on cases, and even help you fill out prescriptions, all while your patient is still in the chair. So you can be confident on delivery day, your restoration will drop right in. And number 3, we offer a free intraoral scanner to every dentist who partners with our dental lab. Whether you want to take your practice digital for the first time, upgrade your scanner, or you need a second for your growing practice, we've got you covered. You can scan for any case and capture detailed digital impressions for a beautiful, fitting restoration. Ready to get started? Schedule a conversation with one of our lab experts and see how Dandy can help you do your best dentistry.